What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Walker, here coming at you with the code practices for lesson 2.7. How you doing, y'all? It's good to see you. Oh, in this case, not see you, but at least you're listening to me. So, 2.7 has two code practices, just making up for the last two lessons that did not have code practices for you. So, let's examine what we are doing here. First off, for this program, we are taking a program that looks at three numbers that you are inputting and prints out the largest of those three. So in the sample run, they give you quite a bit of information of how they want you to type it out. So they give you your input statements, enter a number. We're giving three of those, and we are giving in your final output the largest and then whatever the actual largest number is. So the word largest and whatever that large number is. Now the hints that they tell you, remember the numbers should be compared numerically. Any input from the user must be transformed into an integer but printed as a string. So they give you a couple buzzwords there. Integer and string, those are two things that you're going to be using from this. So that means that for your input, you need to be using the integer commands. And for your numbers at the end, your very large number at the end needs to be given as a string. So let's look at what we got here. There's no modules that we're putting in here, so this is pretty simple like what we've done in the past. So let's look at our compiler. We got three things that we're going to be inputting here. So that means that for this we need three variables, y'all. So we got, for me, I'm going to type number 1, number 2, and number 3. Now each of these are going to equal our input command for this. So the way we type this out, this is int, and then in parentheses we type in input, and then in quotation marks inside of that input, we are going to put that statement there. I personally like to go through and copy the actual statement that they give us in the sample so that I know everything they want me to do, because I know that we are prone to error. Remember, they want this with the E capitalized, enter a number, colon, with a space after so it does not get scrunched up. So that leads you to show that is what all your numbers should look like there. All your inputs for these two should look similar to this. Now, after you have all your inputs, I'm not going to actually write these out for you. You're going to write them out, okay? You need to give me two things here in your print command. In your print command, you need to be able to have the word largest, just like how it is written there. And then with that word largest, you need to be able to have a part of the command that is inside of the string, so str. Inside of this str command that we are going to be typing up, you need to be able to write out what will give me the largest value from here. So that'll be up to you, y'all. I'll see you on the flippity flip. If you need help, feel free to email me. Catch you later, dog.